Bharat Vidya Ratan, a national award from International Business Council, Delhi. Best IT teacher for the year 2020 from ITAP and Tutors Pride, Hyderabad. Best mentorship from IBM DGMC Challenge Contest and Microsoft in 2011 and 2012. Best Spock of NPTEL Swayam, Best Spock of STP IIT Bombay in 2019, and Best Mentor Internship Award from Internshala AICTE Delhi in 2019. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for a nice introduction. A warm welcome
pleasure,
to
sir.
today national. Yeah, thank you, madam. A warm welcome to today national webinar on data science and its applications. Today we are going to see what are the concepts are if in order to become a data scientist, what are the subjects you need to know? What is the prerequisition of data science and many concepts. I would like to share with you practicals in machine learning, deep learning, artificial neural networks, and data mining, artificial intelligence, statistics. For each subject, I am going to demonstrate one or two programs with practical demonstration. Okay, before going to data science applications, if you see in the worldwide, within 60 seconds, what is happening? How many systems are connected to the internet? How many servers are connected to the internet? How many mobiles are connected to the internet? So now I would like to see statistics of how many users are in active right now. So I'm going to demonstrate how many users are connected. Now where I am connected to which social network like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, or whether you are searching in Google or you have opened Gmail, like. So being a computer or IT student, you may get doubt where the data is coming, how the data is coming, where I can store the data, what is the representation mechanism of data, huge volume of data, how many servers are required, and these are the many questions you may get in our doubt. Now see, I'm going to open a practical demonstration, internet live stats. Means how many users are connected to the internet. And if you type www.internetlivestats.com, see now, just I have opened the URL web browser. Now see the number is changing drastically. Where the data is coming, how the data is coming. See now here, internet users in the world. Just I have typed www.internetlivestats.com. Total number of websites opened, emails sent today, Google searches today. See, can you read this number? See, number is changing drastically. So that means how many servers are required, where the data is coming from, what are the sources for generating huge volume of data, how many servers are required. So that's why we are moving towards cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but it is an internet based technology. Without internet, you cannot access any kind of service or application. Now see how many users are uploading their videos in the YouTube. Maybe triple R movie, some students and some customers are uploading, they are watching. Photos uploaded, tweets. Can you see the number? So internet is a network of networks. There are three types of networks we can see in the real-time environment: local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, See, now how many users are connected to this internet world? So Amazon is the first company moved towards cloud computing because they are providing service to the customers on demand service computing based like Amazon EC2 and S3. There are various sources for generating huge volume of data, bank transactions, okay, and all social networks. So this is the small information about how we are generating huge volume of data. We have seen through practical how many servers are connected, how many users are connected to the Twitter, Gmail searches, and YouTube. They are uploading their videos, and how many users are sending mails, everything. So now see today's agenda. I'm going to demonstrate and explain. In order to know the data science applications, you must know minimum 3 to 4 subjects. Like first you need to know the statistics is the prime and foremost concept you must know. Then artificial intelligence, data mining, and artificial neural networks, machine learning, and deep learning. In order to solve data science applications, any one programming language must be known, like R programming, Python programming, Java programming, JavaScript, etc. Recently, I have executed 6 biological database applications such as COVID-19 virus prediction and detection using machine learning and deep learning techniques. Right now, I am doing research on Omicron virus prediction and detection. And recently, I have executed Ebola virus prediction and detection using ML and DL techniques, prostate cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer. Recently, I have last 1.5 year completely I'm doing on health data analytics using machine learning and deep learning techniques. I have published 4 SCA journals and remaining Scopus journals. So before see, how do we measure data in systems or servers or data centers? See, computer understands only ones and zeros. If you press capital A in the system cannot understand this is capital A. Internally, it will convert into ASCII format. ASCII is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Then capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, the value is 10000. So that is the binary equivalent of 65. So system can understand within fraction of seconds. That means computer understands only ones and zeros. How do we measure data in data science? 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 4 bytes is equal to 1 word. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is equal to megabytes. After megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, and yottabytes. Hi, I am Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes and my memory is 1 zettabyte. Before that Robo movie, we don't know even the terminology of how do we measure in the systems or servers or data center. Thanks to director Shankar and hero Rajni sir, they have introduced beautiful terminology of zettabytes and terabytes. So yesterday night I have searched in the Google. There are 2 more terminologies presented. Those are 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. Not JIO geobyte. That stupid service provider ruined students' life. This is GEO geobyte. 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. If you ask me after that any terminology is presented, no, infinity. If you see same terminology in normal range and big data range, in mathematical, if you see kilobyte is equal to 10 power 3 and megabyte is equal to 10 power 6, gigabyte is equal to 10 power 9, terabyte is equal to 10 power 12. If you see in the big data range, petabyte is equal to 10 power 15, hexabyte is equal to 10 power 18, zettabyte is equal to 10 power 21, yottabyte is equal to 10 power 24. Then brontobyte is equal to 10 power 27, geobyte is equal to 10 power 30. So this is the way we are measuring huge volume of data in a system or server or in data center. So actually, I'm taking 1 week, 15 days corporate training for Microsoft, TCS, Google. Recently, I have conducted various corporate trainings for employees. So this is the syllabus I have explained. Day 1, introduction to data science. Day 2, Python programming. And day 3, statistics. These are the various techniques of statistics. Then artificial intelligence. What are the top 10 artificial intelligence algorithms? I'm going to demonstrate. And data mining concepts, including classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine, various concepts and techniques I am explaining. Then day 6, artificial neural networks and the types of artificial neural networks. Okay, feed forward, back forward, various techniques I am explaining. Day 7, machine learning with top 10 algorithms. And day 8, deep learning with the top 10 algorithms. Then followed by the projects. So far, I have executed various applications using ML and DL with help of Python programming. Nearly 24 applications I have demonstrated for the students and the corporate employees. So this is the syllabus of data science applications. Now see what is the prerequisition of data science. You must have knowledge on statistics, like inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. Then basic mathematics, you must know the concept of linear algebra and calculus. Then any one programming language called Python or Java, JavaScript, Excel, etc. This is the prerequisition of data science. And my own analysis, this is my own chart. So prerequisition of data science, first you must have knowledge on data. What is meant by data? Data is a raw material. Data may be a fact. Data may be an image, audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. So once we have a data, huge volume of data, we are processing the data. Okay, by applying various tools and techniques. So processed data is called information. Collection of interrelated data is called database. And the collection of interrelated data with the help of softwares, we are creating a database that is called DBMS. We are managing the database with the help of SQL, traditional database tools, NoSQL database, etc. like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, etc. The combination of data and the database management system is called database system. Subset of, see, we are storing small amount of data in a server or data center or a system is called a data mart. That is called a subset of a data warehousing. Data warehousing is nothing but a storing of a huge volume of data. That is called a collection of data marts. Data warehouse is also called as online analytical processing. Once we are storing huge volume of data in a server or a system, data center, we are extracting meaningful interested patterns by applying classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine. We are doing data analytics. Then comes to the latest buzzword in the industry, big data. It deals with the big data sets like Facebook, Twitter, okay, YouTube, the NASA data, weather forecasting data, traffic data, trade market data, etc. There are three major issues or challenges of big data classified into volume, velocity, variety. Volume is says that the size of the data. Variety is what kind of the size of the data we are handling in the real-time environment. Maybe terabytes, petabytes, exabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, zettabytes, brontobytes, or geobytes. Then variety. Variety is nothing but what kind of files we are handling in the real-time environment. We are handling XML files, HTML files, audio files, video files, various kinds of files we are handling in a real-time environment. That is called variety. And velocity is nothing but the speed at the motion at uploading, downloading real-time data, near-time data, legacy data, old data, what is the speed? That is called volume. Now the latest trend in the market, buzzword in the market, that is called data science. Data science is the process of examining and searching for or extracting insights from huge volume of data by applying statistics or computational methods or AI, ML and DL algorithms. We are generating interested insights or applications. That is called data science. This is my own prerequisition chart for data science. Any doubts, my dear participants? If you are having any doubts, please post query in the chat box so that I can answer for your queries. No hesitation. You can ask any query, any subject. I have listed 8 subjects. Any doubt, any practical, any theoretical, any tool or technique. I am ready to explain your query. So be interactive. What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone give answer in the chat box? Please. What is the technical name of this image? What is this image?
Word cloud,
Please.
sir.
Fantastic. Who's that?
Yes, sir.
Madam.
Myself, the lecturer in Macharla Degree College, sir.
Oh, fantastic answer. So give a big round of applause to Madam. She has given a wonderful answer. The technical name of this image is called word cloud. See how you are publicizing about your college through pamphlets, through SMS, through dashboards, various ways of publicizing about your college. Now I am going to publicize about data science with help of word cloud. I am integrating all sort of knowledge, tools and techniques. See here, programming, solving, process, knowledge, structure, system, everything we have incorporated in this image. This is called word cloud, data science word cloud. Next, data is a central to data science. Without data, there is no database applications. Data are characteristics or information, usually numeric, that are collected through observation. So this is we are storing huge volume of data in the servers or data centers with help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, Mongo database, etc. So there are, see, Types of data, we are categorizing two types, categorical data, numerical data. Data is nothing but a raw material. And there are two types of data we have classified, categorical data, numerical data. And categorical data examples like marital status, political party, eye color, blue eye, red eye, green eye. So then numerical data we are classifying into discrete data and continuous data. Continuous data is nothing but our age is continuously growing. Sometimes our weight also continuously growing. So then if you see the quite opposite of continuous is discrete data, like number of children. We stopped it. Defects per hour. So we are counting the items. These are the two types of data. How do we collect the data from the various sources? Data collection tools. So through interviews, we can collect the data by observational data with a deep manner, and observation, survey. Through surveys, we are collecting the data, and usage of data, focus groups, etc. These are the various data collection tools. And what are the data science sources? See, data is everywhere, and it can help organizations, any industry, in many different ways. We are collecting various kinds of data from various sources. Data has become too complex and too dynamic to be able to processing the data, to store the data, to analyze the data, and managing with the traditional tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, etc. These are the various data sources such as social network data, financial data, multimedia data. Multimedia data is nothing but combination of audio, video, text, graphics, animation. Like best example is YouTube data, that is called multimedia data. Then data from enterprise resource planning systems data, Internet of Things, collection of all real-time objects in a network, that is called Internet of Things. Mobile apps data, nowadays each student, each faculty can generate a huge volume of data. Per day you are forwarding minimum two kinds of data, maybe audio data, video data, images, text data, okay, and cameras data, data in marketing, data in healthcare, social media data, mission sensor data, microphones data, various sources for generating huge volume of data. Then what is the data science workflow? First, we are capturing the data, we are collecting the data, then we are managing and cleaning the data, pre-processing the data. We are eliminating redundant data, noisy data, inconsistent data, dirty data by applying various pre-processing techniques like binning, box plot, etc. Then exploratory analysis is nothing but classifying the data. You are transforming one format to another format, that is called exploratory analysis. And then finally we are generating dashboards. We are analyzing scorecards, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, etc. Visualization graphs we are generating. That is called reporting. This is the data science workflow. So we are capturing the data, I have explained, from various sources. Then we are managing the data with the help of pre-processing techniques. We are pre-processing of data, then it becomes information, that is valid data. You can give input to the system. Then exploratory analysis, performing different analysis and visualizing data. Then fine analysis, we are digging deeper into the data for answering the queries and fine-tuning predictive models for the most accurate results. And finally, we are generating the report with help of bar chart, pie chart, and dashboards, so scorecards, line chart, etc. So these are the characteristics of data science in corporate level: business understanding and intuition, curiosity. So business understanding is nothing but it is the most important characteristic unless you understand the problem, how to generate huge volume of data by applying various tools and techniques of data science. Then the understanding between you and service provider or customer, I mean organization. Then curiosity. Data science is not a new field. It has been there before also, but we don't know how to integrate with various fields. That's why it is a multidisciplinary subject. Okay. And if you see the real characteristics of data science, like volume, velocity, and variety. So volume says that the size of the data, whether we are handling megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes. Then velocity says that speed at motion of the data, how we are uploading, downloading files, whether it is real-time data, near-time data, periodic data, batch processing, legacy data, world data, etc. Then comes to the data variety. What kind of files we are handling: audio, video, text, graphics, animation, various files we are handling. Then see the first topic, introduction to data science. It is a process of examining large amounts of data of a variety of types, maybe XML file, HTML file, audio files, video files, text files, graphics files, SQL files, MySQL files, Teradata files, variety of types. That is called big data. To uncover hidden patterns, we are extracting meaningful, interested data, unknown correlations, and other useful information. That is called data. By applying statistical, AI, data mining techniques, we are generating interested analytics. That is called data science. Why do they care about data science? See, simple answer is, if you are having more data, it leads to the more knowledge. If you are having more knowledge, it leads to the more money. Definitely, business magnates, they are thinking of how to increase their business, whether it is a small scale or a middle or a huge scale volume of industries. They are increasing their own business by applying various tools and techniques. So more knowledge leads to the better customer engagement, fraud prevention, and the new products we are generating. So the caption of data science is more data leads to the more knowledge leads to the more money. Why do we want to learn data science? See, there are 5 reasons. It is a fuel for 21st century because it integrates various kinds of subjects. We are not sticking only one subject. That's why these days you can see the hard job in industry, full stack developer. Full stack developer is nothing but he knows front end, he knows back end, how to develop. He knows how to connect front end, back end. Front end, I'm using Java, JavaScript, or Python, etc. And back end, I'm using SQL databases or NoSQL databases. Okay, like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, or NoSQL databases like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, etc. So that's why full stack developer having very good packages in the industry, because he knows how to use front end, how to use back end, how to use connectivity to front end to back end, everything. Then next reason is problem of demand and supply. So nowadays all industries are seeking for data analysis, data analytics generation. Then a lucrative career. If you see in America, in India, highest paid packages for data scientist. This is the hot job in industry right now. minimum 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs per annum, average student is getting. Recently, one of my student got 75 lakhs per annum. He became as a data scientist. Then data science is changing the world. Yes, it is true. Because in every field we are integrating with artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning techniques. That's why data science is changing the world. Then data science is future. Yes, definitely. Then data science can add value to any business who can use their data well. And from statistics and insights across workflows and hiring new candidates to helping senior staff make better informed decisions, we are generating huge volume of analytics, and data science is valuable to any company in any industry. That's why learn data science? Very important. See, what is the purpose of data science? In order to generate the insights or interested analytics, in order to increase the business, we are using data science. First, we are extracting the data. See, first we are collection of data from various sources. Then extracting data from various sources, maybe a structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Then we are pre-processing. Then we are applying classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine, etc. Then finally we are generating insights from the data. That is called data analytics. Then if you see, the Facebook alone generates more than 1000 terabytes of data daily. And if you take Jet Airways and the stock market exchange, they are also generating huge volume of data per hour. So there also you can take from the huge volume of data. Data science is a collection of data sets, maybe health data, healthcare data, traffic data, weather forecasting data, NASA data, etc., which is so large and complex. When we can call it as a complex? See, there are a number of columns, number of dimensions are more. So definitely your data set becomes very complex. That it is called difficult to handle using DBMS tool. That's why we are not using traditional tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata. We are not using traditional tools. That's why we are going to big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, or MATLAB, etc. Then there are three types of data we can see in the data science. Structured data is nothing but with the help of traditional tools, we are creating tables, we are performing transactions, and we are storing legacy data. With the help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, we are creating structured data. If you see, the unstructured data is nothing but there is no schema, there is no procedure, there is no relation, but we are creating a database is called unstructured data with the help of Hadoop, Spark, MATLAB, R, Hive, HBase, various tools we are using in order to process the unstructured data. Example, audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. Then semi-structured data is nothing but 50% of structured data, 50% of unstructured data we are handling in the real-time environment. That is called semi-structured data. My dear participants, my dear colleagues, is it my pace is okay, or am I fast? Or if you are having any doubts, please ask me. Madam,
Yes,
please.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
it is okay.
It is okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, my voice is audible without
Yes,
any
sir.
disturbance. Yeah,
Yes,
thank
yes.
you. So, who are the use cases in the industry, in the market? Who are the use cases of data science? See, Amazon is the first company, LinkedIn, and Google, Disney Parks, Facebook, Uber, Twitter. These are the use cases of data science. They have entered into this data science world. They are utilizing tools and techniques, and they are performing and generating a huge amount of business they are generating. Then what is the structure of data science? If you see the structure, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. In tier 1, we are using structured data and unstructured data, and we are giving as input to the system. Then we are choosing the tools and techniques like Hadoop, Hive, MapReduce, MATLAB, or Python, any tools and techniques. Even you can take data mining tools like Weka, RapidMiner, GGoB, SPSS, SAS, etc. Then we are generating analytics, and we are generating report like scorecards, dashboards, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, etc. So, data processing is nothing but we can call it as a big data with the help of big data technologies, or about discovering patterns, developing of data science standards, and even software, with the help of open source softwares, tools. Very big companies, they are using their own softwares, open source tools. Big companies like Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, etc. And we are handling in the real-time environment various data file formats: audio, video, text, graphics, animation, documents, books, SQL, DB2 files, MySQL files, Teradata files, MS Access, flat files. So if students are there, can I ask the question, what is a flat file? Which file we can call it as a flat file? See, it is a industry terminology. Flat file is nothing but we are handling document files, spreadsheet, Excel, PowerPoint presentation. These files we can call it as a flat files. We are handling in the real-time environment various files. If you see, the data science is a multidisciplinary subject or interdisciplinary subject. It uses scientific methods, process. We are using visualization methods, data engineering, advanced computing, and statistical operations, various algorithms, and we are extracting knowledge and insights from many structural and unstructural data with help of various tools and techniques. So that's why data science is a combination of various subjects like visualization, scientific methods, statistical computing, statistical modeling, and data technology, data research, data consulting, and real world applications, scientific methods, etc. And if you see, the data science is also known as a data driven science, and it is also called as a knowledge discovery database. That's why it is called interdisciplinary field, about scientific methods, processes, and systems to extract meaningful insights, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying scientific thinking, statistical methods, computer engineering, innovative technologies, etc. So data science is a multidisciplinary subject with the combination of data mining, artificial intelligence, machine learning, neurocomputing, pattern recognition.
Excuse me, sir. Your voice is not audible, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. Your voice is not audible, sir. No, sir. Your voice is not audible. So still your voice is not audible, sir. I think you are trying to say something, but we didn't receive.
Sir,
Not
Srinivas,
technical.
sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir, but your voice is not audible, sir.
So I request all the participants, please be online. There is a technical glitch at the side of resource person. Within few minutes, SAR will be connect. Please be online. Sir, still your voice is not audible, sir. Yes, your presentation is visible, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Hello, madam. My screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible, sir. Now your voice is also audible.
My voice is audible, madam.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now, the process of data science we are classifying into preparation of data. In the preparation we are acquiring the data, reformat and clean the data. Then we are doing analysis. There we are performing executing scripts, edit analysis scripts, inspect outputs. Is there any errors? We are going to debug, and we are performing various pre-processing techniques, and we are applying various classification clustering analysis. If anything, would like to perform comparisons, make comparisons. One second, madam. Disturbance is coming.
Hello, madam. Now my voice is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and finally, decimation. So that means we are exploring, we are writing reports, deploying online applications, and we are sharing our experiments. That is called a decimation. If you see the how to become a data scientist, so by applying all this knowledge like database and process, statistics, machine learning, visualization, and then data mining, you need to have solve real time problems, coding, creativity, communication, public speaking. Then you can become as a data scientist. So data science is to capturing the data by applying data acquisition, data entry, signal processing, extraction. Then maintaining means data warehousing. There we are performing data cleansing, data staging, data processing, data architecture. Then we are processing like data mining, clustering, classification, data modeling. Then we are analyzing exploratory, confirmatory analysis, predictive analysis, regression, text mining, qualitative analysis. Finally, we are communicating with the customers. Data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, decision making. So this is the life cycle of data science. Business understanding, we are understanding the problem. Then data collection, data preparation, exploratory data analysis, modeling, model evaluation, model deployment. So these are the main components of data science. First one is data exploration. In this data exploration, what we are doing, we are collecting huge volume of data. It consumes the most amount of data. That is called data exploration. Then modeling is nothing but simplified version of the reality by applying classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection we are performing. Then testing the model, whether that particular application or software is working properly or not. We are with the help of black box testing, white box testing, we are writing test cases. Then we are checking the model is giving correct results or not. Then finally we are deploying the application, deploying the model, or we are deploying a model into the market once the final product is ready. These are the main components of data science. And actual core components of data science is nothing but data. I think everybody knows there may be 3 types of data we are taking as input to the system: structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Then we are using big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, MATLAB, R, Excel, etc. Then next component is machine learning, learning from the observational data. There are 3 types of machine learning techniques: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Then statistics and probability, we are applying various statistical techniques like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, and distributions like Poisson distribution, okay, normal distribution we are applying. Then any one programming language like R programming, Python, JavaScript, etc. These are the major components of data science. Then what is the difference between data analyst and data scientist? Data analyst performing 2 tasks like business administration. It includes domain specific responsibility. For example, marketing analyst, campaign management, financial analyst, equity research, etc. Then a data analyst performing data exploration, analysis and insights. Including with the 2 tasks, data scientist is performing 3 more tasks such as advanced algorithm and machine learning techniques is applying. Data product engineering is applying. That is called tasks of data scientist. Then these are the top 10 algorithms of data science. Today I am going to demonstrate these algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, naive Bayes, K nearest neighbor, support vector mission. It is a classification technique. K-means clustering. It is a clustering algorithm. Principal component analysis. It is a image processing, face recognition application, neural networks, random forest. It is a classification techniques. These are the data science algorithms. These are the various data science tools like software analysis, statistical software. Okay, SAS is nothing but a statistical analysis software. You can use SPSS, statistical package for social science, Apache Spark, BigML, D3, MATLAB, Excel, ggplot, Tableau. Tableau is a visualization tool. Jupyter is a editor or a tool for in order to run the Python scripting. Matplotlib, natural language toolkit, scikit-learn, TensorFlow. These are the various packages in deep learning, and Weka is a data mining tool. These are the various data science tools. And these are the data science tools for small business. Suppose you are running very small scale industry, you can use Excel. I think everybody knows. And Google Analytics, see Burst, Crazy Egg, Kissmetrics, ClickSense, Insight Squared, Tableau, TIBCO Spotfire, Clear Story Data. These are the data science tools for small business. Then go to the data science tools like Tableau, it's a visualization tool. Excel, everybody knows. RapidMiner, it is a data mining tool. Data Robot, ClickView, H2O. These are the artificial intelligence. Then TensorFlow, BigML, Snowflake, Trifacta. These are the various data science tools we are using. These are the top 10 algorithms for data scientists. Starts with linear regression, then logistic regression, k-means clustering, principal component analysis, support vector machines, artificial neural networks, decision tree, recurrent neural networks, a priori algorithm. These are the top 10 algorithms I am going to demonstrate. I'll execute. Then these are the various tools for data storing, transforming, modeling, visualizing, other tools like. For data storage, we are using Mongo database. It is a NoSQL database, Hadoop, MySQL, etc. Then transforming for conversion of one form to another form, we are using Spark, Python, SQL, etc. For modeling purpose, we are using Scikit-learn, Python, PyTorch, Pandas, various packages, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, etc. Then the visualization purpose, we are using D3, Tableau, Excel, and ggplot, etc. Some other tools like for communication purpose, Kafka. Some other tools like any Databricks, various tools we are using. And data science minimum, these are the knowledge, mathematics, statistics, ethical skills, team player skills, lifelong learning skills, communication skills, real world project skills, machine learning skills, data visualization, data handling and pre-processing, coding skills. Then these are the minimum. And skills a data scientist must have: data mining concepts, big data, research analytics, machine learning, Python or JavaScript, data analysis. Then what are the data scientist responsibilities? He is managing a huge volume of data, and he is generating analytics, and he is applying strategy, collaboration with other organizations, other duties. Then skills required by a data scientist: 70 to 80% statistics, 70 to 80% predictive modeling, 10 to 15% machine learning, 30% text mining, 5% visualization. Then my journey to become a data scientist: you need to have a substantive expertise in marketing, traditional research, data engineering knowledge, machine learning knowledge, statistical knowledge, hacking and coding. So from beginning here, understand the customer's needs, define metrics that matter, translate for non-technical audience, statistical package, advanced mathematics, experimental design, model fitting, scripting language, predictive analytics, like various tools and techniques we are applying. What are the applications of data science? See here, the major applications: image recognition, like face recognition, thumb recognition, fingerprint recognition, and palm recognition, and eye retina recognition, etc. Then price comparison websites like Amazon. See, I would like to purchase a mobile. I'm using Amazon e-business sites like Amazon, Flipkart. I'm checking the price comparison websites by applying data science tools and techniques. Then speech recognition, so voice recognition and audio recognition, video data analytics we can perform. Internet search, in order to find out the internet search data analytics we are using. Then gaming, especially these days, students are playing uh, huge number of games. So there also we are integrating with the ML and DL techniques, especially in reinforcement learning we are applying. Digital advertisements, delivery logistics, recommender systems, fraud and risk detection. These are the various applications. If you see the application domains like e-commerce, manufacturing, banking, transport, finance, healthcare. So I have chosen healthcare data analytics by integrating machine learning, deep learning techniques. Okay, recently I have executed COVID-19 virus prediction and detection and COVID-19 strain virus detection and prediction. Right now I am doing Omicron virus prediction and detection by combining deep learning and machine learning techniques. If you see the transport data analytics, so how many accidents are happening in this particular road? So you are fixing the camera and collecting real-time data, that is called streaming data. And I can generate a traffic data analytics with the help of deep learning techniques like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and various packages, various models, various frameworks you can use. And finance, especially in banking data analytics, and manufacturing, e-commerce, various applications. Then these are the 5 application areas of data science: fraud and risk detection, image speech recognition, healthcare applications, augmented reality, airline routing planning, etc. So these are the data science real life use cases. See, real life use cases like Amazon, Flipkart, and Google, Microsoft, Facebook, they are the real life use cases. What is the purpose they are using data science? See, few examples like what sells most ice creams, I would like to know. Learning to speak, I don't know. I don't know French, but I want to see the movie by subtitles, or I want to speak French language. I can convert French language to Telugu, French language to English, French to Spanish. That is called natural language processing. That comes under learning to speak application. Recognizing defects in a software or application. If you see in bank digital online transaction application, there are maybe some drawbacks like recognizing defects, using suggestions to make better decisions. Then these are the top 25 algorithms including deep learning and machine learning. Searching, I think these algorithms everybody knows. In searching, we are using linear search, binary search, depth first search, breadth first search, Fibonacci search also. Then sorting, famous algorithm is number 1, quicksort, merge sort, and heap and insertion selection. In graphs, we are using to minimize the minimum spanning trees like Kruskal's, Prim's, Dijkstra's, Bellman-Ford, Floyd-Warshall, topological sort, and flood-fill algorithm, Lie algorithm, etc. And in arrays, we are using Kadane's algorithm, Floyd's cycle, detection algorithm, KMP algorithm, quick selection sort, Boyer-Moore majority vote. Then basic algorithms like Hoffman coding, especially in audio video application, Hoffman coding compression, and Euclid's algorithm, union find. Apart from machine and deep learning algorithms, various knowledge in order to become a data scientist, you must have any one languages like C#, Julia. You know, Julia is a combination of Java and Python and JavaScript. Java is evergreen so far, and Python, it is also popular nowadays. Do you know reason why Python is so popular? Anyone? Participants? Any answer from your side? Because this is one-way communication. Why Python is so popular? Please give a response in the chat box. Anyone? Why Python is so popular these days? Can anyone give answer in the chat box? Okay. Python is so popular because of rich number of packages are there. Packages like NumPy, Pandas, Keras, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, PyTorch, Theano, etc. Seaborn, ggplot, various packages are there. Then comes to the data platforms. We are using Hadoop, Spark, and SQL Server, etc. Then see the deep learning algorithms like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and deep neural networks, artificial neural networks, etc. Then see the machine learning and AI tools like TensorFlow, H2O, etc. Data ingestion tools like SQL Server, PyTorch, then development tools like CUDA, CUDNN, and Jupyter, R, etc. Then these are the soup of desired technical skills mentioned in some data scientist job ads. See, Python is so popular because of a rich number of libraries are present. Then R, then Java, JavaScript, and Spark ML, Amazon Web Services, Power BI, Linux. Do you know Linux expansion? Anyone of you know Linux expansion? Look into new version of Unix. Linux is developed by Linus Torvalds. With his name, he would like to see the network issues in a Unix platform and Windows platform. There are security issues. That's why he invented Linux operating system. He is a 16-year-old boy while inventing Linux operating system. Then these are the popular programming languages. These are the data science tools. Few more. MATLAB. See, why MATLAB we are using? It performs matrix laboratory, matrix calculations, performed to process maths information, can be used to simulate neural networks. Apache Spark. Spark is 100 times better than Hadoop because Spark can handle streaming data and video, audio data, real-time data. Whereas Hadoop, it is legacy data. It's a batch processing, and it can handle old database, not like Spark. That's why Spark is 100 times better than Hadoop environment. Most used data science tool, extremely powerful for large scale data processing. Excel, I think everybody knows. Tableau is a visualization tool, and TensorFlow is a framework for in order to solve complex applications of AI and traffic data analytics, etc. Natural language toolkit, it is widely used for language processing, comes with Python. Then BigML, it simplifies machine learning and makes it easy for beginners. Build models in 3 to 4 clicks. Jupyter, it's write live code, visualization and presentation, supports Python, Julia and R. D3, it creates interactive data visualization, that is called JavaScript library for visualizing data with HTML, SVG and a cascading style sheet, etc. Then these are the driving the success of data science solutions, skills, roles, responsibilities. You need to have skills like data logistics, high performance computing, project monitoring, data science, and business skills you required. And then data science use cases. See, Amazon. Why Amazon is a big use case for data science? It improving e-commerce experience. That's why Amazon is so popular these days. There we are using recommender engine algorithm. Then Uber, it is optimizing rides. And Bank of America, it is a big use case in America. It increasing customer experience. Airbnb, it is improving searches. Then data science in pharmaceutical industries. Predictive modeling for maintaining oil and gas supply. data science in biotechnology, data science in education. So these are the use case domains like healthcare, targeted advertising, image recognition, fraud and risk detection, price comparison websites, product delivery, online dating, predictive systems, speech recognition, internet searches. In various applications, we are using data science tools and techniques. See, what are the advantages of data science? Data science can be fun because we are generating huge volume of interested analytics, interested patterns. See, multiple job designations you are getting. That is one more advantage. Ease of job hunting, customize the products, a highly paid career, and see, in America, you can't imagine uh, very huge salary for a data scientist. Cost optimization, artificial intelligence is the future. These are the various advantages. Then disadvantages, see complexity, because you are handling real-time data. More number of dimensions are presented, more number of columns are presented. That's why data becomes complex. If you take Facebook data or traffic data or weather forecasting data, the dimensions are very huge. That's why data becomes complex. Less accuracy, no data security. These are the disadvantages. And advantages like highly paid career, higher demands, bright future, multiple job profiles. See, these are few more advantages like testing these decisions and empowering management and officers to make better decisions, especially. And the data scientists direct the actions-based trends, which in turn help in defining goals, identifying opportunities in order to generate real-time traffic data analytics. Data scientists challenge the staff to adapt the best practices and focus on the issues that matter. Decision making with quantifiable data-driven evidence and recruiting the right talent for the organization. And these are the few more disadvantages. It is a blurry term. Mastering data science is near to impossible. No, nowadays we can do. Large amount of domain knowledge required. Arbitrary data may yield unexpected results. Problem of data privacy. So I have explained already how to become a data scientist by applying statistical methods, programming skills, and machine learning skills, data management skills, communication skills. Then you can easily become a data scientist. Career option in data science. See, is there any students or faculties? You can guide the business intelligence developer, data architect, database administrator, data and analytics manager, data analyst, data scientist, big data engineer, machine learning engineer, statistician. And data science, which can be a career option for you. See the domains like business intelligence developer, you can become data architect, data engineer, database administrator, data and analytics manager, data analyst, big data engineer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, statistician, business analyst. See, these are the research areas, application domains and projects. If you see the data science research areas like city planning and powered electricity, e-healthcare system, and computational sports science, telecommunication, text processing and machine learning, simulation and modeling, information visualization, real-time big data management, and you can generate like travel data analytics, smart shopping. These are the research areas. Please keep in mind cyber data analytics, social media location mining analytics, forecasting and fluctuation in power supply, and spatial temporal analysis of seismic data, that is called earthquake data, medical adherence and augmented rehabilitation and coaching systems, pricing and uptake of next generation networks, a new framework for high-speed data mining applications. These are the research issues on data science, sentiment analysis, opinion mining, predictive mining, post-clustering, pre-clustering, and how can we capture the data, deliver the data to right people in the right time. How can we handle variety of forms of data? How can we can store and analyze data given its size and the computational capacity? You can give these research issues to your students. Let them execute any paper presentation work. In order to implementation these topics, you can share my details to students or faculty. They can collaborate with their work with my Bluecrest University. I am having a data science research laboratory. I am the head research. You can suggest to students or faculty. Let them, they can join and they can make MOU so that we can publish various repeat organizations. These are the challenges of data.
Sir, your voice is not visible. Sir. Once again, your voice is not visible.
చెప్పండి.
Hello. Hello, madam. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Now it's audible, sir.
Sorry for interrupt
Yes, yes.
because of internet problem. So my screen is visible, madam?
No, sir.
Yeah, I'm sharing once again. Now my screen is visible, madam?
No,
Hello,
sir.
madam.
No, sir. Yes. Now it's visible, sir.
So according to the Gartner survey, he has listed the challenges of data science, dirty data. See, that is the number one position, 49.4. If you collect in Facebook data, you will get dirty data only. If you collect any social network data, you will get dirty data. Maybe we need to do more pre-processing techniques like we are eliminating noisy, dirty data, inconsistent data. Then second one is lack of data science talent, lack of management financial support, lack of clear questions to answer, data unavailable or difficult to access. It goes on various challenges of data science. Then what is the future of data science? See, next future, we are applying algorithms, we are applying various applications. If you see the algorithms, massive scale graph generation algorithms and geospatial temporal predictive analytics, hyperfast analytics, embedded deep learning, cognitive machine learning, natural language generation, structured database generation. We are going to use in future, these are the algorithms with combination and integration. And we are generating applications like cyber security data analytics, healthcare data analytics, Internet of Things data analytics, customer engagement and experience in e-commerce websites, applications, smart everything, smart city if you are planning, human capital investment, data for societal good, everything. Where there is a data, there are various number of database applications are present. So bright and promising future of data science. So companies facing problems in handling the data. Data science is an ever-growing field. Never-ending growth of data. Need for data scientists has increased after new data privacy regulations. Machine learning is becoming a popular. Sources of data will keep on emerging. Other areas where data scientists will be required. These are the future of data science, like problems in handling data, never-ending growth of data, increased demand for data scientists, popularity of machine learning, emerging sources of data. So this is the summarization of data science applications. So far we have discussed about predictive analytics, natural language processing, machine learning, behavioral economics, Python, Julia, SQL, data mining, mathematical modeling. All of them have a tech background. You must have. Machine learning and data mining are the common skills. Programming, anyone programming like Python, Java, JavaScript, or statistics, database, and visualization are the top areas they specialized in. So with this one, I'm concluding data science application. So now I'm going to demonstrate a few applications, what I have used in Python programming. See, what are the packages I have used. These are the NumPy package I have used. Then Pandas, NumPy for especially, I think everybody knows, for scientific computing, we are using NumPy, that is called NumPy. Then we are using SciPy, that is called Science Python. It is an open source library for solving mathematical, scientific engineering and technical problems. Then Pandas, especially data manipulation and analysis purpose, we are using Pandas package. Then scikit-learn, that is called sklearn, especially in machine learning applications like classification, clustering, support vector machine, random forest we are using. Then Piano. Hello? Any queries? So Theano is one of the library we are using in order to solve deep learning applications. We are using Theano, neural networks application especially. Then TensorFlow. TensorFlow is one of the famous framework I have used for health data analytics. It comes under machine and deep learning and artificial intelligence. Then Keras. Keras also one of the popular framework in Python programming in order to solve artificial intelligence applications like many applications, especially neural networks, neurocomputing. We are using Keras library. Then PyTorch in order to solve computer vision, machine vision processing like face recognition, audio, video recognition. We are using PyTorch library. So with this one, I'm concluding Python programming. Then we will see the maths and statistics for data science. What we are going to see: maths, linear algebra, calculus, statistics, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. Now I am going to demonstrate in statistical methods like linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression. Please see here. This is theory subject. Because of time, I am rushing. Madam, how much time is there? Hello, madam.
10 more minutes, sir. Or else you can take another 10 more minutes.
Yeah, yes, madam. Just I'm going to demonstrate minimum 3 techniques so
Yes,
that
sir.
they will get an idea how to execute. See,
Okay, sir.
regression we are solving. Why do we want to use regression? In order to predict the future value based on the past values, we are using various techniques like types of regressions: linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression. See, this is the linear regression. Y is equal to mx plus c, where x is the explanatory variable and y is the dependent variable. With help of slope, we are generating based on the x values, we are generating y values. This is the slope we are getting. This is the algorithm I have applied. This is the code. For every algorithm, I kept code. If you want to execute, now I am going to execute, generate this code. See, I am sharing my screen. Go to the command prompt. Once you have installed Python programming in your laptop, just type CMD and go to the CD space. Madam, my screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So first I'm opening a notepad, linear regression. So this is the program, linear regression. In order to predict the future values, this is the code I have written. I am using a NumPy package and I am using sklearn, scikit-learn package, library. From sklearn, I am generating a linear regression algorithm. I am using functions, various Python functions for linear regression. I'm taking x value and I'm taking y value, then I'm generating future value. So this program I'm going to execute. Please see here in the command prompt. So CLS means clear screen, Python, linear regression. See, now I'm executing this program. It will generate coefficient value and it will predict. See, I have taken 5 x value and 5 y values. It is going to generate. It is going to generate future values. Means predicting the future value. Okay. So now it is executing in the background. It will display on the screen. So see now here, madam, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, see, I have taken x value and y value. I am reshaping that y value. I'm calculating coefficient, determination, intercept, and predicted responses. See here, based on this x and y value, I'm predicting 8.33, 13 x0, x1, x2, x3. These are the predicted values, and these are the This is the graph I have generated. Okay. So likewise, you can execute a n number of programs. I kept all programs in my PowerPoint presentation. Now see one more program I am executing, non-linear regression, Python. So non-linear regression, I am executing same x value for y value. So I am generating graph. Madam, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes, madam. Thank you. So I have generated this non-linear regression. If you see the one more logistic regression, Python, logistic regression, you can use a Python logistic. So based on the true or false or one and zeros, we are generating predicted values. Whether the data is true, it will give 1. Whether the data is false, it gives 0. So I have predicted, see, predicted classes are 0 or 1. So that's why it is a classification technique. Intercept value, quotient value, predicted value, and these are the predicted values. I have generated the graph, x-axis and y-axis. So these are the statistical applications. If you see, I'm going to show you SVM, a few more applications like SVM, few applications. Support vector machine. So I'm generating based on the, this is also one of the classification technique. Okay. And we have used boundary values of based on the slopes. I have generated graph. I have taken student data set, whether he is eligible for a scholarship or not for MS or PhD. So I have taken their marks, their credentials, their age, everything. I have generated the graph like various applications I have generated this one. Madam, any queries from the audience? Madam. Any queries from the audience?
I request the participants to pose the questions to the resource person. Have you any doubts?
So these are the, just give me 5 minutes, madam. I'm winding the session. Let
Yes,
them
sir.
pose queries in the chat box. So these are the various sampling methods. And next subject is artificial intelligence. I have executed various applications under this artificial intelligence. These are the top 10 algorithms. Okay. And this is the support vector machine for heart disease data set for heart patients. Why people are getting heart disease? So we are predicting based on the symptoms of the heart patient we have collected and heart data set input. Then we are generating various graphs. Then data mining. In this data mining, we are performing top 10 algorithms. So this is a support vector machine based on the hyperplane. This is one more application support vector machine, Python. This is electrical data sets we have taken. Then this is a decision tree, with all electronics data, whether a student can purchase computer or not. So we have written a code decision tree classification. We have generated various, this is random forest, then artificial neural networks. So likewise, I kept for every subject nearly 5 to 10 algorithms I have executed. If you want, I'm going to share with this PPT, and you can execute your own algorithms in your interested area. I'm going to help you if you are stuck in any place. Okay. And see, this is actually 8 days course. So I'm winding my session. This is recently I have conducted one international webinar on Mahindra Engineering College. This is cyber security data analytics in Bluecrest. And this is Sai Engineering College in Chennai, and this is in Gwalior, Vikrant Engineering College, and this is Ravindra Engineering College at Kurnool, and this is SKC LNC Group International Webinar at Jaipur, Gwalior, and this is Maharshi Markandeya University, and this is SSN College in Chennai. This is at KBTOC Engineering College. It is at Maharashtra, and this is Vet Institute of Arts and Science, and this is at Oman country, one of the engineering college, University of Technology, Salala, and this is Reva University. This is not Reva. This is in Bangalore, SSME College. This is Vet Institute. This is Mobile Application Development in Liberia. This is Maharshi Markandeya Engineering College, and Cyber Security Data Analytics in Liberia. This is one more cyber security. This is Annamacharya Engineering College. This is Chalapati Engineering College at Vijayawada. Then this is at Annai College of Engineering. This is CREC Chadalavada Ramanamma Engineering College. And this is KL University. This is Krishna University, Machilipatnam. And this is a Bluecrest Research Conclave I have organized. This is Vigyan Bharati Engineering College. This is Karpaga Vinayaga Engineering College, Reva University. This is Data Science using R programming and Bluecrest. Lord's Institute of Engineering College in Hyderabad. This is Bharati R University in Chennai. This is Data Science in Bluecrest. This is at Russia, one of the university, Ural Federal University, Big Data Analytics in Bluecrest. Then this is in Russia. I have demonstrated COVID-19 strain virus detection using machine and deep learning techniques at Ural Federal University. This is data science applications. This is big data analytics using Spark at Saudi Arabia. And this is data science research talk. This is Maharshi Markandeya, big data analytics using Spark. Jaya Engineering College. This is ABS Engineering College. This is Sangam University at Jaipur. And this is at IIT IISR at Tirupati. And this is Gautami Engineering College. This is International Seminar Speaker. And this is a Best Spoke Award from IIT Madras in the year 2019. And this is Best ITAP Teacher Award at Hyderabad. This is a Bharat Vidya Ratan Award from Delhi, from International Global Business. Then this is a doctorate from JNTU Anantapur. Then this is a keynote speaker at one of the engineering college. This is one of the jury member at engineering college. This is one of the keynote, resource person. This is one of the resource person. This is keynote speaker at Geetam. Then this is international conference. This is one more international conference. This is at Thailand. So this is about, if anyone having any doubts, any queries, any questions, any subject of 8 subjects I have listed, please ask me. Thank you, madam, for giving me wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir, Nagaraj sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and congratulations to your wonderful research journey. You have so many accomplishments. On behalf of GDC Macharla and GDC Chobrol, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our resource person, Dr. Asadi Srinivas Garu, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace the occasion. First, I would like to thank Naresh Garu for suggesting Srinivas sir as a resource person today. Otherwise, we will miss a wonderful session. Your thoughts have enlightened our mindset and have shown us a new path. You have covered so many topics and also demonstrated a linear regression like that. We are very much thankful to you, sir.
Thank you. you, madam. Any queries, please ask them, madam.
Participants,
Participants, please, any queries?
you can post your questions in the chat box also.
Madam, thanks to Nagaraj sir and Naresh sir, madam, for giving me this wonderful opportunity for sharing my knowledge to participants and faculty members. If anybody would like to collaborate with me, please, you can take my details from Nagaraj sir. Madam, Nagaraj sir is there?
No,
I
sir.
want to see Nagaraj.
He is in another meeting, sir. Definitely, we will share your profile, sir. We have such a wonderful session.
Thank
If
you,
we
madam.
have some more time, we can gain more
Yeah,
knowledge.
please.
from you, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
sir.
definitely. If you are organizing any
Yes,
seminar, webinar, I am ready to
Yes,
demonstrate and I'll take.
yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
No queries from the audience, madam. Please
Yes,
check in the
sir.
chat box, madam.
Yes, no queries. Sir. We are not
It's okay.
posting any queries.
So we can wind up the session, madam.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Once again, thank you, sir.
Yes,
I
madam.
request all the participants to leave the session and join again by 2 o'clock. Then another session.
Any feedback, fam? Are you sharing, madam? Please share with
No,
them.
sir. At the end of the afternoon session, we will share, sir. Definitely, we will
Okay.
share the feedback given by the participants to you,
Yeah,
sir.
sure. Yeah, thank you,
sir.
madam.
So in the afternoon session, we have another resource person, Ravikant Garu from VNR VJ IET. The topic is data visualization using Tableau 2. Please join us by 2 p.m. sharp.